Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use Instagram Reels effectively in 2026. So whether you want more followers, higher engagement, or viral reach, these strategies can help your Reels perform much better. Right now, Instagram Reels are still one of the fastest ways to grow on the platform. Reels usually get pushed to people who don't already follow your account. The first few seconds are extremely important. If people keep scrolling right away, your reel probably won't perform very well. Shorter reels with quick cuts and fast pacing usually hold attention longer. So, try removing slow or unnecessary parts whenever possible. Trending audio can help boost reach because Instagram already recognizes those sounds as popular content. Adding captions is really important because many people watch reels without sound. Clear text also helps viewers stay engaged longer. Consistency matters a lot with Reels. Try posting regularly so Instagram keeps testing your content with new audiences. Instagram Insights can show you which Reels perform best. Look at watch time, shares, saves, and engagement so you can improve future videos. One smart strategy is reposting your Reels on TikTok, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts. So, your content can reach way more people across multiple platforms. Try avoiding blurry videos, weak hooks, or long intros. Viewers decide very quickly whether they want to keep watching or scroll away. And that's basically the full guide to using Instagram Reels effectively in 2026. Keep testing different styles, study your analytics, and focus on content people genuinely enjoy watching.